Hey guys, John, Vapor Running Technologies here today. Wanted to show off the Vapor Blast liquid honing and the pressure dry honing and the dry fine honing Vapor Blast machines. This is a liquid honing cabinet here, the 4836. That's the model. Wanted to show off just how awesome this machine is. We've been working on it. We finally got it operational. We are manufacturing these cabinets now. This is one of their older cabinets that we brought home from the acquisition from Milwaukee. This machine was built in, I would say, 1970 something. That's how old it is. And how this machine performs and operates is just, it's mind blowing actually. This is about with this gun setup that we have in here, this is about a 70 CFM gun. So this is a full blown industrial wet blasting machine. Those of you that need that kind of capability, that kind of power, I will tell you there is a massive difference with this Vapor Blast liquid honing machine and that 70 plus CFM gun that's in there. It's unbelievable. Plus, with these machines, we can actually run higher abrasive concentrations than normal because of our custom proprietary pumping system that we have on the back that we are also manufacturing as well under the Vapor Blast name. But truly incredible 85 years worth of engineering and technology in this machine. Pretty unbelievable, actually, to be able to continue this legacy and carry on all of the 85 plus years of engineering work that was done on these products over that length of time. It's pretty incredible. If you were looking for a full-blown powerhouse industrial machine, this is it. Look no further. We build from the smallest unit, the 2820, all the way up to the 7272. They even have prints and have manufactured a machine that's at least 80 inches by 80 inches. So massive pieces of equipment. You can get them with vertical doors, as you see here. One vertical door, two vertical doors. You can also opt for swinging doors on the left or right-hand side. This machine had both. We took the swinging doors off because you could only obviously use one at a time. But I absolutely love these machines. If you guys have questions, call or email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.